How to use lavender as a natural spider repellent. Lavender is a natural spider repellent that is non-toxic to humans and plants. You can use it on yourself and your pets to prevent spider and tick bites, as well as around the house and in your garden to repel spiders. A study in the Acta Phytopathologica at Entomologica Hungarica Journal found that French lavender oil was toxic to mites, which are a type of spider. A 2% solution of lavender oil worked the best against spotted spiders, according to a report made by the Certified Organic Associations of BC Co-BC. The 2% solution is strong enough to repel spiders, yet gentle enough not to harm plants, pets or people. The recipes included here make a solution that is roughly 2% lavender oil. Things you will need: essential lavender oil, sunscreen, face lotion, body lotion, aloe vera gel, dried lavender, ribbon, tacks, dish detergent spray bottle 8 ounces or larger. Make a personal spider repellent to repel spiders and ticks. To make the personal repellent, mix 1 teaspoon of essential lavender oil with 8 ounces of your favorite sunscreen, face lotion, body lotion or aloe vera gel. Shake the mixture well to combine the ingredients. Slather it on your skin as often as desired. Spare your pets from tick attacks on outdoor adventures by making a lavender pet gel. To make the gel, combine 1 teaspoon essential lavender oil with 8 ounces of aloe vera gel. Shake the mixture well to combine the ingredients and rub it generously on your pet's fur, avoiding the eyes and genital areas. Keep spiders out of your house by placing dried lavender bunches by the windows and doors. Tie a pretty ribbon around the bunches to make the lavender double as a spider repellent and a pretty decoration. Use a tack to pin the lavender bunches around doorway and window frames. Place a bunch on each side of the windows and doorways for a symmetrical, decorative effect. Combine 1 teaspoon of essential lavender oil, 1 teaspoon of dish detergent, with 8 ounces of water together in a spray bottle, to make a spider repellent for plants. Shake the mixture thoroughly before each use. Spray the repellent on the leaves of the plants to repel the spiders that eat and destroy them. Reapply the repellent every few days or more often if necessary. Tips Warnings: essential lavender oil and dried lavender are commonly sold at health food stores. Purchase certified organic lavender, if available. Discontinue use of these repellents if you or your pet develops an allergic reaction to the lavender or other ingredients. Cleanse the skin with a mild soap and plenty of water to remove the repellent residue.